Hello learners. In this tutorial we will be learning operators in JS. Watch this video till the end. Please support this channel. Operators are symbols used to perform operation on values. There are different types of operators: arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, logical operators, ternary operators, string concatenation and template literals. Arithmetic operators are used to perform basic arithmetic operations which include addition, subtraction, multiplication, etc. Assignment operators are used to assign values. Comparison operators are used to compare values. Note: in JS, double equal to is used for just checking values, while triple equal to is used to compare value as well as type. Logical operators usually returns either true or false. Ternary operators is used as an conditional statement. There are other examples of string concatenation and template literals, which teaches us the way to print strings. Do not forget to give your valuable suggestions in the comment box. This was all in this video. Thanks for watching this video. Like this video, share with your friends and subscribe to this channel.